Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks again. I just did a video today about a jig I made, and I don't know if I mentioned the reason this mason jar has rounded sides so it would not go up against your ruler very good, and every one of them could be a little bit different, but with this 2-inch board it's going to be flat. But the main reason for this video, I mentioned in that video that I put a piece of tape and I marked the center from top to bottom, left to right, with a really good ruler, and you can see the black mark. And then I use my red dot pointer and I use center engraving on my Epilog laser. And what is beneficial about this was a test cut or test mug. I can go take a break and turn the laser off, go in and eat some lunch, come back, do it the next day. Or if you have a power failure, you can always get right back to that center and start your machine again and go from there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.